In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable notifications on Strava. If you've been getting too many pings from Strava and want a quieter, more focused experience, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to change so you only hear from the app when it truly matters to you. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. Give it a moment to load so you're on the main screen. From here, head to the U tab at the bottom left. This is your personal area in Strava where you can view your profile, activities, and key account options. Once you're on that page, look toward the upper left for the small settings gear icon. Tap that gear to open your account settings. Inside settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled push notifications. This is where Strava controls the alerts it sends to your device. Go ahead and tap push notifications to open the full list of options. You'll see categories that cover different types of alerts such as activity updates, social interactions like kudos and comments, club and challenge updates, and other app-related reminders. Each category has a checkbox beside it. To disable a notification you don't want to receive, simply uncheck the box next to that category. The change takes effect right away. There's no need to save. If you change your mind later, come back to the same screen and recheck the box to turn that alert back on. Think about what you find useful versus distracting. For example, you might keep alerts that let you know when someone engages with your activity while turning off broader updates that you rarely act on. The goal is to cut noise without missing the moments you care about. Take a moment to scan the full list so nothing slips through. If you're unsure about a category, disable it and see how your week feels. You can always fine-tune later. Keep in mind, these settings control what Strava sends. How notifications look on your phone, like banners, sounds, or lock screen style, is handled by your device, but you don't need to change anything there for this to work. That's all there is to it. Open Strava, go to the U tab, tap the settings gear, select push notifications, and uncheck the boxes for the alerts you don't want. With a few quick taps, you'll have a cleaner, more intentional experience so you can focus on your training without constant interruptions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the quieter ride.